They're getting mobile. Little puppies are getting mobile. They'll be running around before you know it. You're in the food bowl, little one. No one's sitting in the food bowl. We don't have canned food up here for babies yet. You're only 17 days old. You can't have that. All right, come here. Come here, get out of the food bowl. We don't need that in there. She jumps out and eats anyway.
Yeah, Darcy called me last